Yeah, your girl is back, and guess what I have? I have the Chanel Cream Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream, and we are going to apply it. We're going to get right on into applying this. I actually opened it up on camera, so you guys are going to get to see me unbox it and use this product, and you're going to see how I feel about this product at the end of this video. So if you've been eyeing at Chanel and you've been wanting to know how it works and is it going to work for your skin tone, definitely it's going to like work for people who are shades lighter than me. But if you want a few shades darker than me, then it may work. But if you are deep skin tone, it may not work. But let me tell you, y'all gotta watch the video to find out what I like about it. So let's just go ahead and get into this Chanel Cream Bronzer. I'm so sorry guys, right now they are doing construction on our house. Well, not construction on our house, but we are having some concrete poured to extend our driveway, and so I know this is gonna be like super annoying to listen to. So but my package came just like a few minutes ago, and I wanted to sit down and I wanted to film this video for you guys, so we're just gonna bear with me. Chanel, baby. I have another Chanel box up here. Y'all can't see it, but I have the Chanel cream. It's a cream bronzer. I think it's a cream, what do you call it? Cream contour. I just kind of want to rip this open. You see this little Chanel stick? I just kind of want to rip this open. It's on the tissue. Okay. So anyways, I wanted to open it on camera so you guys can kind of get the little experience. And now we're going to use this bad boy. Okay, I'm going to swatch it for you guys, and then we're going to apply. This is a new shade that they came out with. You know, Chanel only has the one shade, so I think this is a very deep chocolatey type shade here. Yes, it is. It's so buttery and so smooth. So it did say it's buildable, as you can see. That one swatch, just kind of, you can see it a little. I'm gonna see if I can build it up a little bit. You can see it a little bit more, and you can see it a little bit more there. I think it's beautiful. It feels so creamy. Oh my goodness, it feels better than that one that I have. It feels creamy. Look at that. So it is a buildable cream contour. This is the Chanel Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply foundation, and then we're gonna bronze up with that. The foundation I'm going to use is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Okay, it's over here somewhere. I might gotta run and get it. Okay. So I have the shade 87.5. I'm going to apply with a brush today. So let me see. The first thing I'm going to cream contour is I'm going to contour my nose. I didn't set the rest of my face, but y'all know I love to contour my nose. So let's do that first and see how it looks, and then we'll do the rest of the face. Oh man, this stuff is so small, so soft, so silky. Look at that. I like it. I think it's perfect. It's so silky smooth right now. Like, oh my goodness. So I'm going to cream contour my entire face, which is something I normally don't do. We're going to get the cream contour on today. I'm going to use this Eco Tools brush to apply it. And then I'm going to use a different brush to, I think I'm going to use this Eco Tools brush to apply it. A different brush to blend it out. Look at that. I mean, I could blend it out with this brush, but I'm not. I love the way that it's applying. Like, oh my goodness. I love this bronzer. Okay, so y'all can see I did a very light hand. I didn't go in too deep. This is a buildable bronzer, so I think if you need a little bit more, you could definitely just add a little bit more. I could definitely go ahead and just blend this out with this brush. This brush is amazing. And it blends out so beautiful. Freak. I mean, bam! I look so good, and I didn't even bronze with this. Like that bronzer, this Chanel. Okay, let me hold my excitement. This stuff is so creamy and it's so good. Like how it's like butter for your face, but not oily butter. Like how? I don't know if people ain't gonna know you wearing Chanel on your face when you wear it, but you're gonna know it when you apply it. Y'all know I only have one other cream contour that I contour my face when I usually only do my nose. This right here is 10 times better. If you've been on the fence about this product and you don't know if you're gonna want to use this product, I say get this. Now we all know Chanel needs to come out with some deeper shades than this. Please, Chanel, come out with some deeper shades than this, because this is like amazing. I love it. So yeah, come out with some deeper shades. Now if you're in my skin tone, a little bit more shades deeper, but if you are of a deeper, darker complexion, I'm gonna be honest with you, this isn't gonna work for you. Now this is a buildable bronzer, like a cream bronzer or whatever, but however, do you want to be using up all your product to build up your color, your pigmentation that should already be there? It should already work for your skin. I feel like you should put it on and it should already work, and you should only build it up if you want to build it up. Not you have to use the product. Every time you use a product, you have to build it up for it to work for your skin tone. So the shade range needs to be a little bit better, but I love this product. I'm gonna continue to use this product and love this product. Okay, like bam, like I look good. For those of you, for anybody out there in the world who wants to know what eyeshadow I'm wearing, what palette, I used the Jackie Aina palette today. I didn't film this part so you guys didn't see it, but I used the shade Credit, and then I just went around it with the shade Ginger, and that's how I got this deep little brown ombre eyeshadow look going on. I think it absolutely looks stunning. So yeah, you know, thank y'all for watching. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna pick up that Chanel.